Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unit of hardness, ppm, milligrams per liter, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then degree of hardness. What is hardness is expressed in term of equivalent, I think CaCO3. You solve the problem based on these also. Total temporary permanent hardness numericals. You solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first you solve the one problem, then we will start the next ion exchange problem. Okay. Write down on your notebook. Calculate the temporary first problem. Calculate the temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water sample from following data. Magnesium bicarbonate 7.1 milligram per liter, calcium bicarbonate 8.1 milligram per liter, magnesium carbonate MgCO3 4.2, MgSO4 sulfate, magnesium sulfate MgSO4 24 milligrams per liter, then MgNO3 magnesium nitrate 29.6 milligram per liter, then CaCO3 10 milligrams per liter, and MgCO3 10 mg per liter. Solve one problem step by step. Okay, I will show you the steps. This one. Okay, so find out the temporary hardness, permanent hardness, and total hardness of water. Okay, this one is the step, and first the problem is first problem. Okay, write down proper on your notebook. First write down the problem, first problem. Write down the salt. Magnesium, one time I am repeat. Magnesium bicarbonate 7.1 milligrams, calcium bicarbonate 8.1 milligrams per liter, MgCO3 4.2, MgSO4 24, magnesium nitrate 29.6 milligram, CaCO3 10 mg, MgCO3 10 mg. Okay. Then to define the temporary hardness, permanent hardness, and total hardness of sample water. Okay. So draw the table first. Name of hardness causing salt first in the first column. Second column, amount of the hardness causing salt in milligrams per liter. Third column, draw the column on your notebook. Molecular weight of hardness causing salt. And last one, the amount equivalent to CaCO3 milligrams per liter. Okay. Write down the salt. Write down the hardness, amount of hardness in second column. Then third column, molecular weight of hardness causing salt. Then amount equivalent to CaCO3. So everyone is solving. Everyone is solving. Everyone is solving. Solve it step by step. Okay. The problem asks for the 6 marks. You have to very carefully solve. Aniket Chengde, are you solving? Aniket, Dipti, Anurag Mahajan, are you solving the problem? Tell me the answer in within 5 minutes again. Okay? Vivek Mishra,
Yes, ma'am.
solve the problem first. Solve the problem. Those students newly joined, write down the problem on your notebook. Calculate the temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water sample from following data. Magnesium bicarbonate 7.1 milligrams per liter, calcium bicarbonate 8.1 milligrams per liter, magnesium carbonate MgCO3 4.2, magnesium sulfate 24, magnesium nitrate 29.6, 10 milligrams, MgCO3 10 milligrams. Okay, write down the problem carefully and to define the permanent, temporary, permanent and total hardness of water. Okay, this is the steps you follow. Make the column on your notebook, write down the salt, write down the amount of salt, molecular weight of particular salt and amount of show or find out the amount equivalent to CaCO3. Raj Pawar, finish the problem. Raj Pawar,
Yes, ma'am.
solve step by step. I will ask you the answer. Prasad Mane.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you solving?
Yes, ma'am.
Dishapal. Dishapal. Are you solving the question?
Yes, ma'am. Trying.
Follow the steps, Disha.
Yes.
हाँ.
Done, ma'am.
हाँ. What is the answer? Tell me temporary hardness first.
100 per
100, sir. 100, ma'am.
Okay. And permanent hardness?
233.3.
And total hardness?
333.3.
Anurag? Anurag, tell me the answer. Tell me the temporary hardness first. Hello, Anurag. Anurag, कर रहा. हाँ, करो, solve करो. Because this is very important. Pratham, tell me the answer. Temporary hardness. हाँ. चिनार नाईक. दीप्ति दुबे. I'm not taking attendance. I am asking about the problem. Temporary hardness. Dipti, tell me the temporary hardness. Temporary hardness of water.
Which can be destroyed by simple boiling.
Tell me the answer of this problem. I will give you na. First problem. Tell me the temporary hardness and permanent hardness and total hardness of water sample. अनुराग. अनुराग. हाँ. कितना टाइम? 10 मिनट हो गए. Solve the problem first. प्राजक्ता. प्राजक्ता.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So what is the answer of temporary hardness?
9.86.
9.86. Then permanent? Permanent? Permanent hardness? And tell me the total hardness also. अनुराग, what happened? टेम्पररी तो परमानेंट बताओ मुझे. ओके ओके. Can everyone solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so today we will go for next one, ion exchange method. Okay, EDTA problem you solved. So the merits and what is important here, merits of ion exchange process. The process can be used to soften highly acidic or alkaline water. Second merits, it produces the water of very low hardness, that is 2 ppm. Then third one, so it is very good for treating water for use of high pressure boilers. It is merits of ion exchange process. Then demerits, the demerits of ion exchange process, the equipment is costly and more expensive chemical are needed. Second one, that is, it is very important. Second one, if water contains turbidity, the output of process is reduced. The turbidity must be flow 10 ppm, else it has to removed by coagulation and filtration. What process to be done here? It is very important, the coagulation and filtration. Okay. Then the problem based on this is again important. Problem asks for 4 marks. Next, write down the problem. Everyone write down the problem based on ion exchange method. Okay, write down the problem. Hard water sample contains 4.5 grams per liter of CaCl2 is passed through the cation exchange resin. What amount of HCl will be obtained per liter of soft water? Okay, everyone write down the problem. First, write down the problem on your notebook. Hard water sample contains 4.5 gram per liter of CaCl2 is passed through the cation exchange resin. What amount of HCl will be obtained as per liter of soft water? Okay, then you see the solution. Softening reaction, what is the reaction involved in that? Write down RH2 plus CaCl2. Give the arrow, write down RCa plus SCl. R is the functional group. Okay, then write down as 111 gram of CaCl2 will produce 36.5 gram of HCl in a soft water. This is the standard. Okay, as 111 gram, bolo, as 111 gram of CaCl2 will produce 36.5 gram of HCl in a soft water. Then what happened? 4.5 gram. What is in our question? 4.5 gram of CaCl2 will be produced is equal to, this one is the standard 36.5. Okay. into 4.5 divided by 111. Write down on your notebook and do the calculation for that. I will already provided you all the things. 36.5 into 4.5 divided by 111 is equal to 1.4797 gram of SCl required. 1.4797 gram of SCl required per liter of soft water. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then write down clearly on your notebook. Then I will give the another problem. Write down the reaction properly. Write down the reaction. Softening reaction RH2 plus CaCl2 is equal to RCa plus SCl. So how many SCl required for that? As 111 gram of CaCl2 will produce 36.5 gram of SCl in a soft water. So what is in the problem? 4.5 gram of CaCl2 will produce is equal to 36.5 into 4.5 divided by 111. So what is the answer? That 1.4797 gram of SCl is required for per liter of soft water. Is it okay? Then next problem. Write down the next one. Write down the problem. Everyone write down the problem. I will give 2 minutes to write down on your notebook and ask your problem when the parent teacher meeting. Come with your notebook. After treating 10 raised to 4 liters of water, write down, after treating 10 raised to 4 liters of water by ion exchange, by ion exchanger, the cationic resin required, the cationic resin required 200 liters of 200 liters of 0.1 normal SCl, 0.1 normal SCl, and anionic resin required, and anionic resin required 200 liters of 200 liters of 0.1 normal NaOH solution. Zero 0.1 normal NaH solution. Find out the hardness of water. Find out the hardness of water. This question asked in the last examination. After treating 10 raised to 4 liters of water by a ion exchanger, the cationic resin required 200 liters of 0.1 normal SCl and anionic resin required 200 liters of 0.1 normal NaOH solution. Find out the hardness of water. It's over. Writing the problem is over. So think what happened. Write down the solution first. Write down it. Hardness in a 10 raised to 4 liters of water is equivalent, is equal to 200 liters of 0.1 normal SCl. Write down everyone. Hardness in a 10 raised to 4 liters of water is equivalent to 200 liters of 0.1 normal SCl. Then next step, 200 of 0.1 normal NaCO3 NaCO, CaCO3 equivalents, one normal. Okay, then 200 into 0.1 normal of 1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. Write down the steps. Each step is important. Then 20 ml of 1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. One normal CaCO3 equivalent. So 20 into 50 gram of CaCO3 equivalents. Equivalent. Then write down the hardness in a 1 liter of water is equal to. Hardness in a 1 liter of water is equal to 1000 divided by 10 raised to 4 grams of CaCO3. Hundred grams of 1000 divided by 10 raised to 4 grams of CaCO3. So is equal to 0 गया, कितना रह गया 100 grams of CaCO3 equivalents. So hardness of water sample is 100 milligrams per liter, that is equal to 100 ppm. Is it over? Is it over? Okay. Then next problem. Write down the problem. First, after treating 1000 liter of water by ion exchanger, the cationic resin required 150.1 normal SCl and anionic resin required 100 liter of 0.1 normal solution. Find out the hardness of water. Find out the hardness of water. Okay. Find out the hardness of water. Everyone writing? Writing the problem? Everyone is writing the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Write down the problem and below the solution is there. Below the solution is there. You write down very carefully and understand what is that. Solution in an ion exchanger, all hardness causing the cation are removed by cation exchanger, while anion exchanger removes anion by the constituent present in the water. Hence, the amount of acid used for generation of the cation resin refers to the hardness of water. Okay, then Hardness in 1000 liters of water is equivalent. कितना दिया है यहाँ ऊपर 150 liters of 0.1 normal HCl. Okay, hardness in 1000 liters of water is equivalent to 150 liters of 1 point normal HCl. Therefore, 150 liters of 0.1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. 150 liters of 0.1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. Therefore, 150 into 0.1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. Third step. Are you writing? Are you writing? Write down. 150 into 1.1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. Then next step. So, कितना आया calculation इसका? What is the answer? 15 liters of 1 normal CaCO3 equivalent. 15 liters of 1 normal CaCO3 equivalents. Therefore, 15 into 50 milligrams of CaCO3 equivalents. 15 into 50 gram of CaCO3 equivalents. So what is the answer coming? Here. 750, 15 into 50. Calculate it. 750 grams of CaCO3 equivalents. grams of CaCO3 equivalents. Write down therefore hardness in a 1 liter of water. Write down the hardness in a 1 liter of water is equal to 750 divided by 1000 grams. 750 divided by 1000 grams of CaCO3 equivalent. Okay, then next one. कितना आया आंसर इसका? 0.75 grams of CaCO3 equivalent. 0.75 grams of CaCO3 equivalent. And milligram में कितना आएगा फिर? 750 milligrams of CaCO3 equivalent. 750 milligram. Grams converted into milligram. So 0.75 grams of CaCO3. If it is converted into milligram, then answer will be 750 grams of CaCO3 equivalent. So therefore the hardness of water sample कितना है? 750 milligrams per liter is equal to 750 ppm. So hardness of water sample equals to 750 milligrams per liter is equal to 750 ppm. It is also called as a ppm. Milligrams per liter is also equivalent to ppm. Hardness of water. So what is the answer? Follow the steps. Follow the steps. So hardness in a 1 liter of water, 750 divided by 1000 grams of CaCO3 equivalent. What is the answer? 0.75 grams of CaCO3. If it is converted into milligram, then it is 750 milligrams of CaCO3 equivalent. Write down the answer. Answer write down. Hardness of water sample is equal to 750 milligrams per liter. is equivalent to 750 ppm. Is equal to 750 ppm. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम वो 15 into 50 ग्राम क्या कैसे हुआ?
50 gram is equal to equivalence. Okay, today we will stop here. I will take your attendance. Give